We are in Gunnar's hometown of Volda, and today I learned something about Gunnar that I didn't know before. He has a boat. Just when I thought life could not be any better, I'm sitting in his car, being driven to it. Furthermore, we have coffee and sandwiches, cheese and Norwegian crackers, and another sunny day. His boat is anchored on the fjord, and there it is. And the biggest treat of all, his daughter Sulevai and her daughter Linnea are coming with us. The last time I saw Sulevai, she was about the same age her daughter is now. Gunnar is retrieving the boat. And we're off. Gunnar's daughters were childhood friends with my daughters when they lived in Hong Kong.
Hi. Say hi to Dodie and Rachel.
Yeah, hi Dodie, Rachel, Nathan. Hope to see you soon. You're very welcome to Norway.
Now we can see the fjords from a car, or perhaps from a cruise ship, but a small boat is my favorite. Because we're right next to the water. I can touch it. Close to nature. And with a 360-degree view. I'm always amazed by the scenery of Norway, powerful in its diversity. But I feel the weather also enhances the experience. So clear, so bright, making everything colorful. And my favorite way to see a place is by small boat. I just sit there and enjoy it. Turn the wheel, slow down, speed up, turn left, turn right, under a bridge. I've even been over a bridge on a boat. It's so warm, Gunnar is getting some sun. Having said that, the water temperature of the fjords is quite cold, even in summer. Every now and then we came across a quiet corner, maybe a small bridge and a few houses. The engine quiet, the sea flat calm. I think this is the best time. 11:30 at night, and still cruising. The sunset, magnificent, and another great day in beautiful Norway.